physics.
That's physics.
That's physics.
That's physics.
That's physics.
That's physics. That's physics with Luke Buckland and Matt Denmark. We're here again. Today we're going to talk to you about lasers. Because lasers are fun, kids. But not to be played with. Lasers! In today's episode, kids, we'll be talking to you about what lasers are, what you can do with lasers, and more importantly, how you can have fun with lasers safely. Lasers. Now we're going to go over to Matt Denmark, who's out at the University of Leicester to talk to an undergraduate about lasers.
Thanks for that, Luke. Well, today I'm at the Department of Physics and Astronomy at the University of Leicester to talk to an undergraduate student here, Alaric Stewart, about lasers so I can find out more about what they are, how they work and their everyday uses. So, Alaric, what is a laser?
A laser is a piece of equipment we use regularly in our experiments here at the University of Leicester. It's a piece of equipment which emits light at a single wavelength or colour.
Okay. So when do you use a laser?
We use it in many different sort of experiments. We use it to look at refraction, diffraction, reflection, and also to measure the actual speed of the light that's coming out.
Wow, that's amazing. So when do you use lasers in everyday life? Well, hold that thought a second, Alaric. Luke, back to you in the studio.
Thanks, Matt. That was a helpful discussion about lasers, but I bet you didn't realise that it's an acronym, and it stands for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. And that's what it stands for. Now we're going to show you how it works.
A basic laser setup consists of a wire loop which passes through a medium. In this case, I, Luke, represent an electron in the wire, and Matt represents an atom in the medium, the blue area. When I collide with Matt, he gets my energy, which makes him excited and unstable. To relax himself, he gives off all this energy as light of a specific wavelength. This happens lots of times and appears constant to the human eye.
Hi kids, I'm back in the studio now to talk to you about something a little bit crazy and off topic, and that is the speed of light. So follow me. So the speed of light is what we call the universal speed constant. Basically, it's the fastest thing there is. It's faster than you, it's faster than your dad's car, it's even faster than this. So, just how fast is it? Well, it's 300 million meters per second. That's over 670 million miles per hour. Try getting your car to go that fast. So light travels as a wave, as you can see on this graph here. But, as we mentioned earlier with the way lasers work, it also travels as photons, which are little packets of energy. How can it do this? Which one is it? Actually, it's both. It's some crazy phenomenon that people have been trying to understand for ages. But it's okay, kids, people have got it covered. But I wouldn't worry, you'll do that once you start your physics degrees. Even at these speeds, it'll take millions of years to even get out of our galaxy. And that makes you think, will we ever be able to find evidence of life elsewhere in the universe? So, let's go and find out what happened when me and Alaric tried to work out where lasers are in everyday life.
That's physics.
I'm going to go and talk to Alaric again and find out what things are lasers and what aren't. Alaric, I've been looking for things that might be lasers. What about this?
No.
Right, I've got something else. Wait right here.
I'll show you what's a laser and what isn't.
Okay,
Well, let's see if we can find something in this room.
let's have a look.
So this CD-ROM, while it isn't a laser itself, obviously, there's a laser inside your home computer or your DVD reader, which shines a laser onto the CD and reads the information off of it.
What about that mouse down there? Isn't that a laser mouse?
It's a common misconception that lasers are used inside mice. However, that'd be a bit dangerous having a laser in an everyday work environment. You can tell by if you shine it on your hand, it's a big red light, instead of when a laser is very, very tiny. For example, this remote, it has a laser built in, so it's easy to point to stuff on a board when giving a presentation, for example.
Wow, that's really good. And that stick there must be a laser. That's physics. Back to you in the studio.
That's it for this week, kids.
Oh no, that's a shame, but don't forget to tune in next week on That's Physics.
We'll be visiting the playground.
See you then.
This is the end, beautiful friend. This is the end, my own